So, artificial intelligence. When you hear that word, what comes into your mind? Do you think about robots, supercomputers, or basically the movie Transformers or Terminator? The word itself is very vague, isn't it?
So what does AI mean, Mike?
AI, or artificial intelligence, is one of the most promising developments in human history. It was designed to mimic human expressions, harness the power to solve complex problems, and even potentially surpass human intelligence. So the question is, could it someday replace us humans in the workforce altogether? Or the limitations of AI too challenging to overcome? There are so many benefits to using AI-driven applications over people. AI enables the execution of complex tasks without significant cost outlays. It doesn't eat or sleep, meaning it's available 24/7. These machines can handle a lot more data than humans can, and they'll do it with more accuracy. And lastly, they reduce time spent on data analysis, which allows the analysis and exploitation of data derived from production to be carried out in real life. For example, the world's fastest and most powerful AI supercomputer can deliver nearly 4 exaflops of performance to more than 7,000 researchers. Now, let's put that into perspective. You'd have to perform one calculation every second for 31,688,765,000 years to match with 1 exaflop, which supercomputers can do in just 1 second. Wow. I mean, that's a huge number that compares us humans to supercomputers. And as these things require supervision because they can think for themselves and they can make split-second judgments compared to a real person. We've also seen AI compete with humans and win on numerous occasions, such as chess, Go, or facial recognition, you name it. There are so many more. Despite these achievements, there are still common barriers and numerous risks around AI. AI has basically many numerous limitations itself. It depends on the data we give it, and if the system isn't trained on the right amount of data, the AI itself will end up inaccurate or flawed. Machines simply lack the ability to be creative. Unlike machines, humans can think and feel, which guides their decision making on being creative. AI can match human level creativity, but they're all trained on human works, therefore, it actually takes human creativity for the AI to be creative. So, in conclusion, it's clear that both AI systems and humans have value. The goal shouldn't be to replace us humans with AI, but to augment intelligence with AI. Working alongside AI is great, and to reduce biased datasets. And let's take care of the positive sides of the invention to create a better world.